Hey kids, do you love learning about animals? Today, we're going on a super fun adventure to find out who lives in the pond. Are you ready? Okay, let's go explore. Look over there. What's that hopping by the pond? It's a frog. Ribbit, ribbit. Frogs live in ponds and they love to jump on lily pads. Frogs are green, but they can be brown or yellow too. Can you jump like a frog? Jump, jump, jump. Great job. Now let's look under the water. Who's swimming down there? Oh, it's a fish. Fish like to swim in ponds because the water is cool and safe. Some fish are tiny and some are big. Can you say swish, swish like a fish? Wow, you're swimming just like them. Whoa, what's that sitting on a rock by the pond? It's a turtle. Turtles have shells that keep them safe. Have you seen a turtle before? Turtles love to sit in the sun and relax on their rocks. Let's stretch our arms out wide like we're taking in the sunlight, just like a turtle. Ah, nice and warm. Look, there's another animal on the water. Do you see it? It's gliding so smoothly. It's a duck. Quack, quack. Ducks like to float on the water, but they can also dive to find food. Their feet are webbed, so it's easy for them to swim fast. Can you flap your arms like a duck? Flap, flap, flap. You look so funny and cute. Oh, what's that buzzing sound? Buzz, buzz, buzz. It's a dragonfly. Dragonflies fly around the pond looking for little bugs to eat. They have wings that shimmer in the sunlight. Can you wave your arms like dragonfly wings? Buzz around the room just like them. Awesome! Wait! What's moving in the mud? It's a snail. Snails are super slow, but they carry their little home on their back. Isn't that cool? Let's move really slowly like a snail. Slow! Wow, you're so good at this. Now who do you think lives in the pond at night? It's the frogs again. Ribbit, ribbit. Frogs love to sing when it's dark. Have you ever heard frogs croaking at night? Croak, croak. Let's all croak and sing like frogs together. Croak, croak, ribbit, ribbit. That's amazing. Did you learn about lots of fun pond animals today? Let's see if you can remember. Who hops on lily pads? That's right, frogs. What swims under the water? Fish. Who sits on rocks and has a shell? It's the turtle. What quacks and floats? Ducks. Who buzzes and flies around? Dragonflies. And who carries a home on their back? The snail. Great job, everyone. Thanks for exploring the pond with me today. Remember, ponds are homes for so many wonderful animals. We must take care of them. Keep learning, playing, and exploring, kiddos. This outstanding video was crafted by VidWiz. Want your own exciting videos for fun or profit? Just click the link in the description to get started today. Bye-bye, and see you next time.